Hi, this is Callie Davis, and you are working on a web quest called Naming Chemical Compounds. It's at namethatchemical.weebly.com. And I just wanted to introduce you to this web quest. Basically, you're going to be learning about chemistry and how much chemistry is all around us. And we are using chemistry in everything from new medicine to help for environmental issues in our planet, and also cooking and cleaning and just eating. So chemistry is all around us. So you're about to begin a journey involving chemistry, talking about bonding basics, writing chemical formulas, and naming chemical compounds. One of my favorite quotes is from Rosalind Franklin. It is, "Science and everyday life cannot and should not be separated." So if we go to the task section of the web quest, you will basically be in a team of 3 students. Each student will have a role or job and 1 to 2 assignments to complete. Ultimately, the goal is to create a presentation project that consists of the history of naming chemical compounds, the process and the application of naming, which means the rules that are used and some examples of how to name, as well as locating common household items that contain ionic and covalent compounds. The supervisor will take everyone's assignment and put it together in one unified project and present that to the class as the teacher. By the end of the web quest, you should be able to distinguish between an ionic, covalent, and a metallic bond, write the chemical formula and the chemical name for some common chemicals that we have talked about in class. Also, tell me who invented the method that we use to name compounds and why this is a universal or international standard in chemistry and why that's important. And also a couple of household items, be able to recognize them by their scientific name. And don't forget, you will be assessed on these items, not only for the final in this class, but also the EOCT for the course. And if you proceed to process, it will tell you step by step each person's role, as well as evaluation is for your rubrics for grading. And don't forget, on the conclusion page, you're going to take a short quiz to see how much you've learned, and you have an option at the bottom to take a survey and tell me what you think about the web quest. Let me know if you have any issues. I hope you enjoy.